first thing we're going to do is review counting by fives. We did that a little bit this morning, and you guys did that yesterday, right? Counting by fives? Yeah. So we're going to start with the number chart, and it looks like you guys already have it marked off. So I'm just going to point, and you guys are just going to count with me, okay? Can you guys see it? Okay, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now what if we would have counted all the way from 1 to 100? Do you think it would have taken us longer than what we just did?
Yes.
So counting by fives is kind of like a quicker way to get to 100, right? So counting by fives is quicker and it's faster. So let's see if, we're going to play a little game first. So get in the circle like you were this morning. And we're going to try this game again. Cole, just scoot back a little bit, Pretzel. Justine, you can go over there by Zach. Brooke, you can sit by Peyton. Cole, here, scoot over, Brooke, just a little bit. Scoot over. Okay, so if you guys need to use your chart, you can use the chart and look up here. So let's remember that you go from 5 to 10, and then where?
20.
No, do we go to 20?
15.
15.
20.
20.
25.
25. 30.
35.
So you have to go across and then down to the next row. Across, down to the next row. Across, down to the next row. Okay. So remember this morning how I'll touch somebody's head and they're going to start. There'll be 5. And then the person beside of them will say the next number. And we're going to count by fives and try to make it all the way to 100. But if you miss, what happens?
Out.
You're out. Okay, Brooke, you start.
5, 10, 20.
Oh, nope. You're out, bud. So Brooke said 5, 10,
15.
15. Nope, not 16. You're out. 5, 10, 15. Look up at your chart if you need it. What's after 15?
60.
If we're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. Cole, do you know? Okay. 20. Good. Okay, Justine, you're out on 5, 10, 15, 20.
25.
25. 30.
35.
He said 35.
40.
Good. He said 40.
45.
45. Good.
50.
50.
55.
55.
65.
Ooh. You're out. What did you say, Brooke?
55.
He said 55, or she said 55. So what's next, Gavin?
60.
60.
65. 70.
70.
75.
75. What's next, Gavin?
80.
80.
85.
85.
90.
90.
95.
95.
100.
100. We have 4 winners. Clap for them. Good job. Okay, we'll play it one more time just so you guys can practice counting by fives. And then we're going to learn something else. Okay, Cole, Kale. Let's let Zach in here. Scoot over, Cole. Right here, Zach.
Get it. I'm squished.
Guys, let Brooke in.
I'm squished.
Peyton, scoot back.
I'm squished still.
Scoot back.
I'm squished.
No, sit. Okay. Cole, Kale, you're going to start for us. 5.
10. 15. 20.
Look up at the chart. What comes after 20, Zach? We're up here at 20. We have to go down to the next row. Look, who started? Cole? So let's look up here and count. 5, 10, 15, 20, Cole Pretzel said 20. Zachary, what's next?
And Gavin, you know it? 45.
What number is this?
Tell him. 25.
25. Good, Zach. Okay, Gavin.
30.
30. Use your chart if you need it. He said 30.
35.
35.
40.
40.
45.
Good.
50.
Your turn.
55.
55.
65.
Ooh, close.
You're out.
He said 55, Zach. 55. We're going to go across.
60.
60. High five, Zach. 60. Okay, Gavin.
65.
65. Justinian. 65. What's after 65?
What's at the 6? 17. Yeah.
Say it again. 17.
She said that.
It's not 17. No. Brayden, do you know?
You're out. 70.
70. Good. You were close, Justinia. Okay, Cole. After 70.
75.
75. Brooke.
80.
80.
85.
85. We're right here at 85.
95.
No. Very close. You're out, bud. Gavin, what's after 85?
90.
90.
95.
95.
100.
100. Good. We had 5 that left this time. Good. Okay, so everybody come back to the carpet. And this is the next thing we're going to learn about.
Tail. It does not matter who you sing by.
Here, turn around this way, guys. We're up here. Brayden up here. Cole, why don't you come sit over here on the end. Brooke, go back to your spot on the other side of Brayden. Zach, up here. Up front, buddy. Right here. Peyton, sit down so they can see. Does anybody know what I just wrote? Brooke.
Tally mark.
Tally marks. Good. What does tally marks start with?
T.
T. Tally marks. Who knows what tally marks are? We've used them a little bit. What does it mean if I say, today we're going to be counting with tally marks? What does that mean? Does anybody know?
By numbers.
Or, yeah, we're going to use numbers. So I'm just going to write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So you just write the numbers? No, you don't just write the numbers. You're going to do, tally marks would be, let's say we're trying to figure out how many kids in the class like hot chocolate or chocolate milk. So
I like both.
you can only vote once. So we're going to write hot chocolate and
Hot chocolate.
and chocolate, it's a big word.
Milk. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. You can read that. Okay, so you can only vote one time. And we have how many kids here today? 8. So I should have 8 tally marks. So I need you to raise your hand if your favorite out of these 2 is hot chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4? Okay, so we have 4. So instead of writing the number 4, raise your hand again. Keep them up if you liked chocolate milk. Or hot chocolate, I'm sorry. Hot chocolate. Sit up, Cole. Okay, so for Brooke, I'm going to make a 1, a tally mark for Brooke. And then Jasenia, a tally mark for Jasenia. Who else was it? Cole Pretzel gets a tally mark. And Gavin gets a tally mark. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks for chocolate or hot chocolate. All right, what about chocolate milk? Raise your hand if that's your favorite. Sit up, Cole. Okay, Brayden